Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I'm out in the Bluebird Bungalow, and I have a video for the first day of 2024. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope that everybody is well and warm and feeling creative. I hope you had a great holiday season, however you celebrate, and are ready for 2024. I know that many of us had challenges in 2023, but that's behind us. Let's start a great new year. And to start that, I have a collaboration that I want to tag on to and introduce to you, and hopefully you will gain some insight and inspiration as I did. So it is called hashtag Little Bits of Lace 2024 by Tracie Fox, hashtag Rediscover 2024 by Cori Dahmen. I'm sorry, Cori, I said your name wrong. And hashtag Junk Journal January 2024 by Meg Journals. Tracie Fox is using up lace and reached out to Cori, and they're collaborating, but they want us, as we do any fun things, to include our hashtags so that anyone else looking for additional inspiration can find some. Hopefully this will be some. And then the hashtag Junk Journal January 2024. I haven't printed them out, but Meg Journals is doing prompts for each day of the month in January. I don't know if she's going to carry this throughout the year like I did last year, but I thought we'd get a different and new perspective on prompts. So what I have for you today is a new kit, and in the next little segment of the video, I will introduce the kit to you, but this is the finished little lace house. Home Sweet Home Little Lace Houses. There are 3 different houses, and I will go over the whole kit in just a bit. Just stay tuned. So I went ahead and I bound it with just a 2-hole pamphlet stitch, and then I tied in some bits of lace, keeping with the little bits of lace. I love how it looks on the spine. It just really adds to it. It was so strange. I had this piece of lace that I'd used on a jelly print years ago, and it just was the right color. And I've got some, I think this is some antique lace that I got when I was in France last year. Anyway, and so this is another video, and I'll link it below. It's using Tracie Fox's freebie from her Ko-fi shop, and I'll link that below. She's given us a sheet of, let me see, can I find mine? I've got a lot of it cut up, but a sheet of little calendars. So I'm going to be getting those already. She gives you 2 sizes, this small size and then a 6 on a page size, so almost more than double that size. But this little size was perfect for what I wanted, which was to have a hidden paper clip. And so I will show you what I did to make it a hidden paper clip. And then I did created an index card so that this could be a tuck into a pocket, or it can just be clipped over a page. And so this is the little book and the papers that I put into it. You know, book pages, tea dyed, coffee dyed paper would be awesome in here also. And I put a little pocket on the back here that we could tuck things into. Okay, well, stay tuned for the directions on this. The link where you can get my kit in my Etsy shop or on the Ko-fi, or my Ko-fi shop, will be linked below. Lots of links, so follow up those links, especially these hashtag links, and get inspired. All right, stay tuned. I'll be right back with you. It's a little chilly right now. I think it's about 52 degrees in my Bluebird bungalow, so it's a little chilly. But anyway, I have been toying and mulling over some ideas of how to start the year, and I kind of want to have a theme. Last year I did prompts. I'm not sure I did it from January 1st. I'll have to look and see. Well, I am not going to do prompts, but I have found a couple of YouTubers that are my favorites that I am going to link below, and you offer them up to you for inspiration because they have inspired me. So anyway, if this is your first time here, welcome. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much. Last year you made it awesome, but we have another year in front of us, and it's going to be another awesome year. So I have a kit, and this kit was inspired by a collaborative of Tracie Fox, and I think it's Fox Creatives, and Cori Dahmen, I think it's Dahmen, and she's doing Rediscover 2024. So the hashtags, and I'll have them below, are hashtag little bits of lace, and that's Tracie Fox. Oh, you have to add 2024 on. So little bits of lace 2024 and hashtag Rediscover 2024 for Cori Dahmen. Also for prompts, hashtag Junk Journal January 2024, and those are Meg journals. So I want you to go and look at them, subscribe. They're going to have tons of ideas. Plus, this is an open collaborative. Anyone that wants to join in, which is what I'm doing, can. So there's going to be tons of ideas, more than any that just one person can come up with. Ooh, look, that's how cold it is. My ring is falling off. All right. So as I've got another project that I pulled from the hashtag Little Bits of Lace 2024 from Tracie Fox, and it inspired me to do some little lace houses. So this will be a new kit available in my Etsy shop and my Ko-fi shop, which will be linked below. Lots of links coming. So, and I made these a certain size to fit a certain project that's coming. But because they're a little smaller, I have also included in the kit some of the tall ones. So they'll be about 8.5 approximately once you trim off, unless you are lucky that you can print with no borders. And I'm leaving these without windows and things for you to design and use bits of lace and whatever you want. But this one, and I've got these cut out, these I have made to a certain size for a project that I'm hoping to have to you in the next couple of days. I'm tweaking and doing some fine tuning on it. But there's nothing new and exciting about putting this together, at least not right now. So it's going to be a quick and easy. So these are included in the kit, these two. Okay. Had a lot of fun finding bits of laces to scan and different things. Then you will get a collage lace and a pretty Belgian lace for a cover, and I've printed on the back in preparation for my cover. And then for the signature papers, I've got this collage and this paper. And it's kind of got a texture in there like satin. And a blue one. And then some lined lace paper. Green, blue, and pink. All right. So let's do the cover quickly. I will link one of my other videos below that I have done in the past. So if this is your first time, you can see other ideas and options. But I am going to first trim off the white. So I am just using my scissors. We could use the trimmer, but then I have to get it out. So I'm just going to do with my scissors and hope for a straight cut. And then I am going to decide what I want. Okay, so do I want... Which one do I want to do? I think I'm going to do this one. And I think that I'm going to have this be the inside. So let's see, do I want to do it this way? I think I do. I think I do. So I am going to glue this on there. You know, I kind of did. I don't think it matters. It doesn't matter. All right. And I printed something on the back of this. Don't look. I'm going to cheat and use my tape runner just for quickness and ease of not having to wait for glue to dry. Okay, and I'm going to get this right on that corner edge. Now I could have done it the other way and made some pockets, which I have done many times with my little houses. Oh, so the name of this kit. Oh, I want to do this first. I want to fold first. Let's use this. And I'm not planning to have this be a very thick. You know what? Let's trim across here. Let's trim across. Oh, of course it fell off. Of course. Come on. Can you go on? There we go. All right. The name of this kit is going to be Little Bits of Lace Houses, or little lace houses. Okay. Oh, forgot. Gosh, I think it'd been ages since I've done a video. It's been a bit. Okay, do I have that even? Yeah, I think I do. Let's come over just a hair. Okay. Let's keep this and make that a pocket. All right. Go right. I got it. I'm going to get it straight there. And I know I've got it straight. And we're going to use, well, let's just fold. Let's just fold. Right there. And let's hope we're getting it folded right. That way. Am I good? I'm a little shy. So let's correct it. Let's go right there. I don't think it'll hurt it to have that extra little score mark in there. Now, I've probably got, yes, of course I have. You knew it. Okay. How about that? Okay. Okay. Now, I am going to cut the peaks of the little house, just like that. And so I am going to glue that little peak down there. My glue is very, very cold. A little distressing along that edge to hide that white line. Okay. And let's do a quick one around here. The project I'm working on, I'm using a really dark brown, and the first thing I did not distress the edges, and oh boy, do they stand out. That white just screams at you. Okay, so here's the cover. I am not, am I? No, I am not going to. But all these will be put in as my signature. I will just sew with a pamphlet stitch there, and we'll have a very cute little journal that will be the right size for my project that's coming up. And then on the back, you can do all kinds of things. Now, like I was saying, I have put in these houses so that if you want to, you can cut some fabric, some lace, sew it on with your sewing machine, jazz these up, and then put them on to one of the cover pieces like this. And do the score, because they will be exactly the right size for that. Okay? All right. I will be, most likely, I'll put some papers in, I'll sew this, and it will be in the thumbnail of the video and at the very beginning of this video. But I did not have time to get that created before I came out to film this. So, I think it's going to be fun. Another little houses in our little house series. All right, come back and see what I'm doing with the hashtag Little Bits of Lace 2024 for Tracie Fox. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.